There it is. There it is. Oh my god!
1000多亿斤的鹅颈藤壶在这里很常见，海带和紫菜像草一样到处都是，水里还有适合路亚的鳕鱼。这里是阿拉斯加一处偏远的乡村，一个很少人知道的钓鱼圣地。要去这个地方有点麻烦，塔库先是乘坐水上飞机到达小镇，换乘汽车之后又改坐船，经过空陆海3番周转，塔库终于来到了目的地。
Hot spring. Such a nice view.
塔库是一位资深钓友，同时还是一名厨师。当他看到木屋门前的烤箱，他就知道来对了。
Oh, wow, they got gear up here. They got cooking gear and everything. Look at that, they got stoves. So this is a Forest Service cabin, and all throughout Alaska, there are these remote cabins in the woods along the coast, and it's managed by the Forest Service. Let's go check out the inside. Wow, it's so clean too. Look at you.
当他看见屋内的厨具和餐具时，他兴奋地发狂。
Oh my gosh, they have all kinds of pots and pans. Wow, dude, this is so sick. It's just the coolest thing ever.
拿上鱼竿，塔库开始寻找今日份晚餐。
Now let's go see if we can find a fish. You think there's fish here? Maybe. I'm starting off with this nice big fat swim bait. First cast. I did not bring too much gear, so I can't risk oh, there was I'm pretty sure oh yeah, there was a fish following it. Looked like a small rockfish.
抛了5、6竿，除了岩石和海带带来的错觉外，塔库并没有钓到鱼。
Oh, what? Is that a rock? Oh, got over it. I thought that was a fish.
他觉得这可能是周围有密集海带的原因。
No fish yet. It's a little challenging trying to fish with all this kelp. But we'll keep looking. Maybe we'll switch spots, do a little hiking, find another good fishable area.
走了大概1分钟，塔库这次不打算再尝试有海带的地方。
Okay, we'll just give it a shot here. Just a few casts, see what happens. No, come on. There we go. Fish on, yep. Fish on. Hey, that's a good, oh, that's a lingcod. We got a small lingcod on. We got a small lingcod. Look at that guy.
这是阿拉斯加蛇鳕，一些钓友喜欢喊它海龙，因为他们喜欢吃富含胆绿素的食物，所以有20%的蛇鳕是蓝色的。塔库很幸运，开竿与鱼就是一条稀有蛇鳕。
Nice and blue on the bottom. Good hook set, but obviously way too small. And first fish, we'll let him go.
天气说变就变，塔库换上雨衣，继续寻找晚餐。
That's a fish, baby! Woo! Woo! That's a crazy looking lingcod. There it is. Oh my god! Holy crap, dude! Oh my god, look at this little red lingcod. This is insane.
晚餐的主菜解决了，塔库现在准备去寻找一些配菜。
Do you know what this is? That there.
这种鹅颈藤壶在西欧国家很受欢迎，不过价格也非常昂贵，因为它对水质要求非常严格， 所以全球范围都在逐渐减少。
That's a good one right there.
捡了一些鹅颈藤壶，塔库继续寻找其他配菜。
There's a little tiny sea urchin there, and he's on the move. So these guys right here, these are called chitin, also known as gumbo. And the native people here in Alaska eat them all the time. And they're just like that. Boil them up. I think we may have found a purple urchin. Let's check this guy out. There we go. A little Alaskan purple urchin. Or maybe that's a red urchin actually. Now I don't know the Tlingit terminology for the black seaweed, but I know they call them black seaweed. Cool, so we'll take some of these as well. I have a knife.
捡完紫菜，塔库觉得已经够吃了，现在他要回去处理今天的收获。
Let's go. Let's go ahead and fillet this guy. There we go. It's a huge.
塔库的刀法行云流水，很快就将鳕鱼切割成块。
That this is like the cleanest lingcod meat I've ever seen. I have not seen a single parasite. Lingcod this big always have parasites, but this one I'm not seeing anything. So this is the belly side. That's where normally the parasites would be, but literally nothing. What? Oh my gosh. Bet it's gonna taste amazing.
处理完所有食材，塔库开始做饭，先把海带烘烤一下，然后拿它来包鳕鱼。
Let's just do some salt and pepper. Nothing fancy. Salt the skin side too. Pepper. Good chili flakes. And I have a little bit of sesame oil right here in this jar. Little travel size. I'll just rub that in. I'm just gonna package it up in this kombu. Or wakame, I'm sorry. Go like that. There we go. Got a nice little lingcod package right there. And we'll go straight on the grill.
紫菜直接放进烤炉里烤，接下来就是处理鹅颈藤壶环节。高级的食材往往只需最简单的做法：过水煮熟，放入冷水里，随后剥去表皮，准备蒜末，放入锅里一起翻炒。泰坦的处理办法更简单，只需放入水里煮熟，然后剥掉它的硬壳。
And some people will eat that too. That's just the guts. But we'll take that out. Clean this off. And the rest right there, that's all edible.
海胆往往都是生吃。摆盘完毕，接下来塔库和老婆一边泡着温泉，一边享受天然美味。
Not like crab, but it's got those spreads. Yeah.
这次体验你觉得怎样？关注我，三哥带你体验全球钓鱼圣地，体验不一样的钓鱼风情。